shown in our LED, it will be on a randomizer. So you will be given 30 seconds once again. So are you ready, Nico? Ready? Listen carefully and let's start with Hari number 1, Hari Bangkal. Your phrase is Quality Sustainable Development Goals Education. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Equality, sustainable development education. Equality is a sustainable education because of the education we have the is it important because we have us to achieve our dream and to work hard in ourselves and
Thank you, Hari number 1. You may now go back. Let us now proceed with Hari number 2, Hari ng Bulihan, Franz Louis S. Peña. So hello, Hari number 2. Let me remind you that you have only 30 seconds to answer the question. So, sumista ka ba? Okay ka ba? Okay ka ba? That's your last. Ready na? So let's look at the LED and your question or phrase is Dulansangan. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ang dulansangan ay ang dula ng kasaysayan na pinamana ng ating nakaraan. Ang kultura na dapat alagaan at dapat minamahal. Maraming salamat.
One more question. Thank you, Hari number 2. Let us proceed with Hari number 3, Hari ng Kanyogan, Edric Arcega. Hello, Hari number 2. How are you feeling tonight?
Opo.
Parang pressured pa si Hari number 3. So ayan, let me remind you only that you have only 30 seconds to answer the question. And your phrase is empowerment. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Empowerment. Naniniwala ako na ang tunay na lakas ay makukuha mo kapag ikaw ay naniwala sa iyong sarili, kumpiyansa. Dahil naniniwala ako na ang kumpiyansa ang susi sa bawat tagumpay. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Hari number 3. A true empowerment and an embodiment of an empowered Malolan. Let's call on Hari number 4. Hari ng Lockers, Isley Martin Chico Louder. Hello! Excited ka humawak ng mic, ah? So let me remind you that you only have 30 seconds to answer the question and your phrase is First Philippine Republic and your 30 seconds starts now.
Ang pumapasok po sa isip ko pag sinabing First Philippine Republic ay ang unang paggunita ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Ngunit dahil sa modernisasyon ay unti-unti natin itong nakakalimutan. Ang epekto nito ay
Thank you so much, guys. Now let's call on Hari number 5, Hari ng Mohon, Paul Cervantes. Hello, Hari number 5. How are you feeling tonight? May gusto ka bang batiin? You can do so.
Binabati ko lang yung pamilya ko nanonood. So,
let me remind you again that you only have 30 seconds to answer your question. And your question is... Good health and well-being. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Ang goal na ito ay tulong upang magkaroon tayo ng access sa healthcare needs na ating kinakailangan sa ating pang-isip at pangkatawan. Dahil ito ay napaka-importante. Kung kaya, bilang empowered Malolenyo, kung masa-strengthen natin ang PhilHealth, tayo ay matutulungan na mabawasan o masuportahan ang ating babayaran sa hospital. At doon pa lamang ay
Thank you so much, Hari number 5, Hari number 1. And now let's welcome Hari number 6, Hari number 9, Lloyd Ramos. Hello, Hari number 6. How are you feeling today?
Isang mapagpalayang araw, Malolos! I'm so happy, especially that I'm proud. And I grabbed some of the awards, and I'm just so excited to end this. And I know that all of us candidates are doing well, and we are inspiring everyone.
Thank you so much. I hope you do that as well. So, again, let me remind you that you have only 30 seconds to answer the phrase or the question. And your phrase is... Baraswain Church. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Baraswain Church serves as the culture, the symbol of culture, heritage, and tradition. And I believe that us Maloleños is like Baraswain Church because we are strengthened by the experiences, we are courageous, and most importantly, no matter what challenges and struggles we face, we overcome it. And I encourage every one of you to have a character of Baraswain Church that no matter what happened, we
Wonderful message for all of us. Lastly, let's all welcome Hari number 7, Hari ng San Gabriel, Keith Carmelo Palomar Flores. Hello, Hari number 7. How are you feeling today?
masaya ako dahil andito ang mga nakasuporta sa akin.
So, okay, let me remind you again that you have only 30 seconds to answer the question. And your phrase is... Gender equality. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Magandang umaga, magandang gabi Malolenyo. Para sa akin, ang gender equality ay ang pagkakapantay-pantay ng kahit ng kasarian ng lalaki at babae. At naniniwala ako na sa gender equality ay binibigyan ng kapangyarihan ang mga kababaihan laban sa diskriminasyon. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Hari number 7. Again, empowering these words. Thank you, Hari. We now go backstage.
Thank you so much, Ada. And now we will proceed to our reinas. Handa na bang lahat? Again, let me just say that this round will be given 30 seconds each to answer. And if the time is up, they will hear this sound. So now let us proceed to our reinas. Reina number 1, may I invite you? Hello, Reina number 1. How are you?
Kinakabahan, pero I know na matatawid ko to.
So, may gusto ko pang pasalamatan, family, support.
Thank you po sa mga sumusuporta sa akin, sa handlers ko, sa family ko po na nandyan, at sa mga kaibigan ko po na narito ngayon. Para sa inyo po itong laban ko.
So sa tingin ko, ready na si Reina number 1. Let's proceed to our screen. This is your phrase or word. Climate Sustainable Development Goals or Climate Action. Your 30 seconds starts now.
The climate crisis is not a future problem, it is a now problem. Kaya panawagan ko po sa inyong lahat, tayo po ay kumilos na dahil ang ating pong kalikasan ay tinatawag na po tayo. Tandaan po natin na mahirap po gumanti ang tahimik. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Reyna number 1. Now, let's proceed to our number 2. Reyna number 2. Ikaw pa ready kasi. Kaya tawagin na natin. Kamusta Reyna number 2? So, can you give us a glimpse of your journey here at Hari at Reyna ng Malolos?
So magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ang journey ko pong ito ay pangalawang pagkakataon. Gusto ko pong mapakita sa aking sarili, gusto ko pong maging tribute sa aking lindang team na kahit na anong problema, kahit na anong negative comments or na aking natanggap, nandito pa rin po ako at gusto ko pong lumaban para po makamit ko ang inaasam ko pong Reyna ng Malolos 2026 Republika Pilipinas. Maraming pong salamat.
Ngayon nga, kita natin that every candidates, meron tayong mga umulit na sumubok ulit dahil naniniwala sila na hindi katapusan ng pagkatalo. Ito ay aral. So, Reyna number 2, let's proceed to your phrase or word. Affordable and clean energy. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Ang affordable and clean energy po ay isang 17 Sustainable Developmental Goals. Kumbaga, ang Sustainable Developmental Goals ay paalala sa atin na makukuha po natin ang kaunlaran kung meron po tayong malasakit. Malasakit sa kapwa, sa kalikasan, at sa bawat isa. Bilang isang Malolenyo, isang kabataang Malolenyo, naniniwala po ako na makakamit po natin ang ating kaunlaran kung meron po tayong puso para sa
Thank you, Reyna number 2. You can take your rest. Now, let's go on. Ano yung sinisigaw ng audience dyan? Our Reyna number 3. Hello, Reyna number 3. Kumusta ka naman? You look so gorgeous. So, pwede mo bang batiin ang mga Malolenyo?
Good evening, Malaleños. It's an honor to be here at the Malolos Brave of Malolos. This is a very life-changing decision that I made earlier this year. Despite the struggles, the hardship, I found strength during my weekends, and that's why I'm standing here today. Thank you.
Life-changing decision. So, sa tingin ko, ready ka na. This is your phrase or word. Karatig jeepney. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Karatig jeepney ay nagsisimbolo hindi lang sa ating mga Malolenyo, kundi sa ating buong Pilipinas. Dahil tayo lamang ang mayroong magandang sasakyan tulad na nagsisimbolo bilang Pilipino. At ayun ang isa sa pinakamagandang ma-offer natin, hindi lamang dito sa Malolos, kundi sa buong mundo. Thank you.
Thank you, Reyna number 3. Now let's proceed. Reyna number 4. Let's proceed to your phrase or word. Human rights. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Human rights is a very basic word that we all know and should know that should be honored and respected. Each person has their own human rights and they decide what they want, when they want it, and whether they want it or not at all. Respecting and honoring these human rights is the key to a more peaceful, comfortable, and respectful world. Thank you.
Thank you, Reyna number 4. Now, let's go on. Nandito na siya, Reyna number 5. So, let's proceed to your word or phrase. Malolos Cathedral. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Malolos Cathedral ay isang kilala sa buong Malolos na simbahan. Ito ay dito tinatag ang kasaysayan at ito ay pinagmamalaki ng buong lungsod ng Malolos dahil ito ay makasaysayan na simbahan. Yun lamang po.
Thank you. Now, let's call on Reina number 6. We are halfway there. So are you ready?
Ready.
Come on, let's look at the screen. And this is your chosen phrase or word. Casa Real de Malolos. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Bilang isang kabataan, makikita natin sa Casa Real ang lahat ng pinaghirapan ng bawat Malolenyo, ang mga alaalang iniwan nila, ang mga lungsod na makikita natin, ang mga rebulto, ang mga sini. Yun lamang po. Salamat.
Maraming salamat. Reina number 6. Now let's call on our Reina number 7. So I know Reina number 7, you are ready. So come on. Let's choose your chosen phrase or word. Gender mainstreaming. Again, gender mainstreaming. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Gender mainstreaming is having a fair rights, regardless of their status or background. And to achieve this, we should uplift each others in order to be the voice of the voiceless and be the empowered woman who will inspire others. Because I believe that alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Reina number 7. Now, turn to the last, Reina number 8. Hello, Reina. So come on, let's see what is your phrase or word. Zero hunger. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Zero hunger. Para po sa aking karapatan ng bawat bata at ng bawat tao na magkaroon ng sapat na pagkain. Dahil ang busog na tiyan ay nagkakaroon. Ito ang daan para sa malinaw na isip at magandang kinabukasan. Maraming salamat po.
Now, let's go on our Reina number 9. So I know you're ready, Reina number 9. This is your chosen word or phrase. Santo Niño de Malolos Festival. Your 30 seconds starts now.
As a youth of today's generation, Santo Niño Festival is a festival that celebrates baby Jesus. And I believe we are all here today because of him. As a youth, I advocate to communicate with the youth and spread positivity. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, the Reina number 9, and last but not the least, our Reina number 10. Come on down on stage para sa ating last phrase or word. Come on. Your chosen phrase or word is no poverty. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Good evening. Growing up with responsibility at an early age taught me that poverty is not just about not having money. It is also about lack of opportunity. So for me, ending poverty is not just because we are lack of the support from the government. It is also empowering families so no one should give up on their dreams just to survive.
That sums up our Reina candidates for this segment. Kaya naman, may I call on my partners. So, pinapaunlakan po natin ang pagdating ni Bukal James